Hey guys, my name is Frank and I'm Dexy. So in today's video, I am going to be giving you an unboxing and first impressions of the Amazfit GTS 2 mini smartwatch. So let's start the video. So as you can see, this is the watch with me. So this is the cover means box of the watch. So the watch is being buy from Amazon and the price of this is 6,000. By offer you can get more lower price also with card discounts, and you can also buy it in Flipkart. So let me show you the box. As you can see there, Amazfit is written and the watch with wallpaper is been here. Then Amazfit GTS 2 mini has been written here, and very large bone gray. Here GTS 2 is been written. So in the side, as you can see, it's written slim and light design, always on display, broad oxygen, saturation measurement, and 70 plus sports modes. So here on the manufacturer details and price are out. Okay, let me show you the price. As you can see, it's made in China. So this is the packet, and here also second tracking, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, sleep quality monitoring is written here. So let's open the seal here. And open the knife. So it can open. As you can see, guys. So let's take out it. As you can see, this is the thing I've taken out from the box. Okay, so first thing, this one. So here the manual instructions. As you can see, guys, everything is been written here, like in what everything in different languages, but you have to not necessarily read it, okay, because I am going to tell you how to do it. So let's keep it aside. Then coming in here is the charger in here, in this one. Let's pick out it. So guys, the charger is in this one case. Let's break it. So this is the charger. Not the charger, it's the cable of the charger, but the charger is not given. You can plug your smartphone chargers. You can unplug the charger of your smartphone's cable, charging cable, and put this one, the charger brick. Okay, magnetic. Keep this. Then the last here is the watch. Start with the check. Let's take out it. So this is the watch. So guys, this is the watch. At first look, it's very premium and good. So first let's turn on the watch. So the watch is been turned on, guys, and look the design of it. It's super sleek and slim also. Okay, it's looking very good, like it looks like an Apple Watch if you look from far away, because the metal casing, and it's in here. The back side is a polycarbonate pack with 4 sensors and 2 charging docks, magnetic to charge. It can attach to the charger magnetically. So let's talk about the steps. Build quality of the watch. It's very good. It's very durable. It looks very premium and looks, and in the hands also. You see, everything is very good because of its aluminium metal casing, and it's a little bit curved also at the side, the glass. So it's the GTS2 model. You can also buy BPU Pro or BPU, honestly only. Okay, but they don't have knowledge. So let's talk about the display. So the watch has got an 1.55 inch AMOLED touch display with 326 ppi, and it's very good itself, and all the things are very sharp. You can see on the things are very sharp. If you can read it very nicely. So then let's see the sensors and measurements. The sensors, it's got 4 sensors. 2 are heart rate and 2 are SpO2. You can monitor 3 things, not 3, also 4. One is the heart rate monitoring, then SpO2 monitoring. Let me show you closely. Okay, wait a second. SpO2 monitoring, then stress monitoring, then also PEEP, and also there is the sleep monitoring. Okay, when you sleep, get sleep. So the measurements are quite good. Okay, it gives you 90% the good results also. SpO2 sometimes it can be very, because of the wearing of the smartwatch nicely makes the sensors move. So if you wear it like not tightly, then it can give you something bad results, not bad, something it's different results, like your oxygen is 99 and it's showing 90. So it can be like that, but heart rate is 99%, it's good only, and stress monitoring also is good, but it's secondary feature. Okay, then the second tracking is there, which is very helpful for women to track their things. Then in your weather, so it can become with app control also is there, which is the Amazfit app. The watch face also, you can store up to 4 watch faces, 2 indices can pre-install and 2 you can put differently. You can put your face also. In gallery you can choose one watch face, or from the app also, or under a secondary app, like more apps are there, GTS2 wallpaper apps are there. Then if you side here, there is a workout shortcut, then Alexa shortcut, then sleep monitoring. You can put more, then song shortcut is also there. Okay, then alarm, weathers are obtained from the smartphone only, and the PAI. Looking at the watch faces, therefore, as I told you, you can change the watch faces by like this, just pressing the holding the screen for some time, main screen, and select like this. Let me show you closely. So these and these are pre-installed, you cannot remove them, but this one and this one are being taken from the app. Actually this one is taken from the app and this one is taken from a secondary app. You can just to delete it, you can press this one and you can delete it. Okay, so to select one, just tap one time and it will be put in. Okay, so it has Alexa also, maybe it's very useful also sometimes, like Alexa, what's the nearest Domino's? Let me show you. It takes me. So which Alexa is there. Okay, then talking in the upside, if you go, In here, as you can see, guys, there are settings. Brightness is there. You can put auto brightness feature is there. Like if I remove it, okay, if I put auto brightness, automatically will be up and down according to the area. Then alarms, then sleep monitoring feature, and here settings are there. Like watch face setting, battery level, screen of watch face means always on display, auto screen off, screen lock, leave upon screen, preference systems, all are there. Okay, so let me show you the leave upon screen thing. Let me wear it. Wait a second, guys. I am ready. Like, wait a second. Like if the watch face should be down. So it's been down. Now if I do like this, it's come. So it's most of the times it's responsive. Okay. So this is the effect, and it's very common features nowadays in the smartwatches. Okay. So if you tap this one in this button, then on the app list will come. Actually they are pre-installed, not put different app list. PAI, heart rate, sleep, workout history. So it have GPS, that's why I can do. I have done workout like walking only. So if I press this one, it will come the GPS thing. So it have GPS, that's why these whole maps come where I have gone, and everything like calorie and climb and on everything will be shown. So spiritual stress, breathing, second tracking is there. Then alarm, due to do this, it's very helpful. Settings and more. You press more. Between weather, Alexa, music, countdown, stopwatch, promotion record, word clock, compass, camera remote is there. Find phone is there. Activity goal. Okay, and find phone is very helpful, and camera feature also. So let's see the charger. So as you can see, this is the charger I have shown you. To charge it, you just put this one magnetic thing like this, attach to this one. You can see these two pins are there, just attached. Okay, so like that you can charge it. Then there is, you can also see notifications, but you cannot read wrong notifications. See here, notifications will come from WhatsApp and everything. So that was the watch. So let's see the app. So this is the app. Okay, Zepp app. So if I turn the Bluetooth, it's on now. Now it will connect to the watch. Take some time. So the watch is connecting, as you can see, guys. It's showing connecting. It's connected. As you can see, guys, 97% it's been written here. Charging. The home page, there is the PAI thing, and sleep monitoring, heart rate, stress, blood oxygen, weight, then walking, everything. Data has been shown. My tools, steps today, calories today, ECG are not. Okay, then the health, there like walking, running, cycling, hands thing are there. You can also share it to your friends also. Then the more, you can see my goals, my records, friends, add accounts thing are there. Then in here, and returning Alexa, watch settings, app list, find watch. You tap this one, like this sound will come. The watch unboxing, by like if you connect the watch and the watch is been there, then the watch is near to you, then if you have to not put in any lock You do not put pattern to unlock your smartphone. Via the watch only, the smartphone will be unlocked. Guys, in the app only, if you press this one thing, access data with every time, then status data, like these things are there. Then if you go in the profile and MSP GTS2 Mini, the store, if you tap, there are wallpapers, right? These are the wallpapers. Okay, watch face management is there to see your watch faces that you have put in. So this is the store. Vibration you can set. Let's get back from here. So app list management and find watch. So this was the app. Okay, so that was all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. So I will be bringing you the review of this smartwatch, okay, soon. So stay tuned for it. Thanks for watching this video. So please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share the video to your friends and family. So thank you. Bye bye.